Hey guys, so today is a very special video for me. I am unboxing my first YouTube play button for reaching 100,000 subscribers.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Now if y'all have been watching me for a while, you guys know that I actually reached 100,000 back in October, but something happened where they didn't actually end up they never ended up contacting me. Like, I remember getting the email saying like, congrats 100,000, like you get your first plaque, but like I never really got info of how to get the plaque. And so I ended up contacting them last week, and they were really quick and they helped me out, and so I finally got my plaque 6 months later. But right now I'm sitting at 107,000 and I couldn't be more thankful. I did take a 2-month break in between October and now, so just to still have 107,000 subscribers is completely like amazing and so crazy to me. So I've been sleeping all day because I didn't sleep at all last night, and I fell asleep at like 4. I decided I was gonna take a nap until 5, but I actually ended up sleeping until like 6:15 when my mom got home. So I came downstairs and they had this waiting downstairs for me as like a surprise. I haven't opened it. I just cut the seals because I'm upstairs now and I don't have anything to cut it with. So I cut the seals already, but I have not opened it at all. This is where my address is, so I had to cover that, but it says YouTube. It's in a black box. It's really like not that heavy. I am just so excited. So we're just gonna open up this together. I'm gonna try to put y'all farther back so you guys can see better. Okay, so now it's like kind of tilted down more so y'all can see my hands more, but we are seeing everything firsthand together. So yeah, before I open this, I just want to say that I am so grateful for you guys. Within my first year of doing YouTube, I reached 100,000 subscribers, and that is so crazy to me because I understand that it takes people a really long time to even start getting up there. And literally my 9th video I blew up, and it now has like 1.2 million views. My first day freshman year, get ready with me, and that is the video that literally blew up my channel, and I could not be more thankful and grateful for all of you guys and all you guys supporting me. Everybody who's been here since day one, all of my new supporters, all of my old supporters, people who don't support me anymore. If you have supported me at one point of your life, even my haters, I am so thankful for you guys. You guys have changed my life completely. I have a whole new outlook on life now, and I'm so happy that I get to keep influencing you guys and just encourage you guys to be the best and most positive people you guys can be. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it up because my whole family is waiting for me to open it. I told them I had to do an unboxing video first before I could show them because they are really excited to see it, especially my little brother. So oh, it's a black phone. Okay. Okay, so there's a letter on top of the plaque, so I'm gonna read the letter first. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. That's crazy. And I have 107,000 people subscribed to my channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight on the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely. And then it's a signature from Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. This letter is so cute. It just makes me realize how much I just appreciate all of my supporters and all of my subscribers that subscribe to me, and everybody who has just helped me along the way and just has kept me motivated, because there's been times where I really wasn't even sure if I wanted to continue doing YouTube, because it does get really stressful at times, and some people don't understand that we're human too, and that we have feelings and that we have a life that goes on other than YouTube. And so it just gets really stressful sometimes. But that just, once you just look at all the supporters and the love that you have, you just realize, you just like find your love for it again, and you just want to keep being passionate and keep creating content. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, so it's just like a little contact business card. And now it's finally time for the, oh Jesus. Now it's finally time for the plaque. Okay, so here it is. It's in a plastic packaging. Oh, it's kind of heavy. The actual plaque itself is like heavy. And then underneath the plaque, recognize your team. It's a little card, and it has the 1 million, the 100,000, the diamond, which is 10 million. So that's all that's in the box. So now I'm just gonna look at the plaque itself. It's so pretty. Okay, so it's in the plastic wrapping still. I'm scared to like take it out. I don't want it to get messed up or anything. Oh, there's like it's like a mirror. How pretty. Presented to, I don't know if y'all can see that, Susiebarroeta, for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube, and then the play button. So yeah, this is the plaque. It is so pretty, and once again, I'm just so thankful for you guys. Literally, I don't know what I would be without y'all. Y'all have completely just like flipped around my life, and I am just so thankful for y'all. I'm so glad that you guys are here, because with you guys here, I just stay so much more positive, and I'm able to look at my life and be like, wow, like even if there's like not amazing things going on in my life, I always know that I have my amazing loyal supporters that are just behind me every step of the way. And I'm so glad that y'all just keep me motivated, and I can't wait to keep making content for you guys, and I hope I get better. But yeah, I'm just so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait to get the 1 million plaque. On the road to that one now, which is the gold one. Here is my unboxing video, and here's my plaque. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I just wanted to share my appreciation and just show y'all what was in the box that comes with the plaque. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment like always, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.